Introducing Hitachi's premium made-in-Japan refrigerators. Designed to reflect intelligence, elegance and automated genius. Hitachi's original vacuum compartment with unique platinum catalyst keeps food fresher for longer. The platinum catalyst here produces carbon dioxide to control respiration of vegetables, and freshness is maintained. The revolutionary delicious freezing technology creates high-velocity freezing. An intelligent sensor automatically detects temperature of food on a high thermal conductivity tray, which then rapidly draws heat away from food placed on it for super quick freezing. With delicious freezing, food retains both color and flavor. Hitachi's inverter compressor improves energy savings, and a flexible vacuum insulation panel provides powerful insulation for cooling efficiency. Intelligence that redefines premium living. Authentically Japan-made Hitachi refrigerators. Hitachi, inspire the next.